Bachmann Portax K, seen here in the black metallic roof and front bow with the front ramp open as an exit ramp. This one has a small jumper decor on the side. We have it open with the 5-foot ramp, which is supported by 4 bars of galvanized steel. They're very light to open and close, using the shocks to assist. 2 33-inch wide stalls. You have windows on each side that open and a roof vent. Very easy to adjust the settings for the stall depending on what size horse you have riding, from large pony right up to 18 hands. This trailer will accommodate a horse that wears an 84-inch blanket. To easily exit out the front, you lower that chest bar, walk your horse out the ramp. Want to unload the second horse? Lower this from the front. Push this panel out of the way to the side wall. Now you have a full space across the floor to walk your horse out the ramp. Every Portax K comes with a saddle storage area. Perfect for 2 saddles. You can put in Western or English into this. You have a place for holding whips and crops. You have the cleanup broom and shovel, both with extendable poles, and easily you can pull out those racks to meet at the door for easy access. Portax K, galvanized steel chassis, WCF elite suspension, and anodized aluminum wall panels, waiting for you here at Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers.